Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a trusted provider, updated device, and an account. Once you sign in, verify the app signature and enable two-factor authentication to protect credentials. Next, allow required permissions but deny unnecessary ones. This limits exposure. Pick the nearest secure server to reduce latency, or a country-based server if you need a region-specific IP. Make sure to read connection settings, then proceed to establish the initial secure tunnel so you have a base working configuration. Once the app is installed, configure protocols and protection features. Choose WireGuard for performance or OpenVPN for broad support. The Y matters for speed versus compatibility. Enable the kill switch to block traffic on disconnect and turn on DNS leak protection so queries use the VPN provider's resolvers. Set AutoConnect for untrusted Wi-Fi to avoid accidental exposure. After connecting, validate your external IP and DNS to confirm the tunnel is active, and swap servers if latency or routing looks poor. To finish, harden settings, restrict app permissions, enable auto-updates, and review minimal logs for troubleshooting only. If you can't connect, follow a short checklist. Switch protocol, toggle kill switch off then on, restart the app and device, and confirm local firewall or router isn't blocking VPN ports. If problems persist, flush DNS and renew the adapter to clear stale routing, then gather diagnostics and contact provider support. Keep in mind legitimate uses only and comply with local law while using privacy tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.